Okay, going back. Ito, akit tayo sa hagdan. Hindi ko alam kung ni-reuse ni Tito Mike yung yung lumang railing. I can't remember how that looked. But anyway, there we go. Up the stairs. Bamboo set. Yan siya. Dito natutulog si Kuya Bati at saka si Cheng ngayon. That's one bedroom. Leading to an little open area here. Yan yung mga linens nila andyan. Toilet and bath. Okay. Very big bathroom. Ito naman. Okay, medyo maliit lang dito sa taas. But the bedrooms are big. Dito kami natulog ni Mami. That's Tita Net and Tito June's room, bedroom, when they stay here. Tapos ito yung parang maliit na altar nila. Tita Net. Haha. Tita Net ng shoes. Young, pretty girl. Mama. Tita Net again. Hope she's doing better. Pero sabi ni Mami, nilabas na raw sa ICU, which is good. Dito yung bedroom ni Tito Boy naman yan. So I'm guessing na itong bedroom na ito, yung tinutulugan ni Kuya, tsaka ni Che. Siguro yun yung bedroom nila Tita Baby and Tito Mike. That's the upstairs. Baba na naman tayo. Okay. And I think now I've covered the whole house. From the landing, ayan yung dining area. Living room area. Rocking chair. Huge flat screen TV. Siguro mga 32 inch o siguro mga 42 inch ito. And that should be it.